Real Debrid versus TorBox comparison. What is the best Debrid service for streaming? If you're trying to improve your streaming quality in apps like Stremio, Kodi, Syncler, or Pick-a-Show, using a Debrid service can completely transform your experience. Two of the most popular premium link providers are Real Debrid and TorBox. While both give you faster, higher quality streaming links, they each focus on different strengths. Real Debrid aims for pure speed and simplicity, while TorBox provides advanced privacy, torrent handling, and cloud storage features. If you're deciding which one is better for everyday streaming, privacy, or power user workflows, this comparison breaks down everything you need to know. Real Debrid is the most well-known premium link provider and is widely used in streaming apps because it delivers high-speed, high-quality sources with minimal setup. It integrates instantly with Stremio, Kodi add-ons, Syncler, and many third-party apps, making it extremely easy to use even for beginners. Why users like it: very fast, reliable streaming links, huge number of supported file hosters, simple setup, works instantly with most apps, extremely consistent performance, great for full HD and 4K sources. Real Debrid focuses on pure streaming performance. There are no complicated settings, no cloud storage panels, and no technical steps. It's simply the easiest and most efficient way to upgrade your streaming quality. Best for users who want the fastest premium links with zero hassle. TorBox is a more feature-rich service that combines Debrid links with torrent cloud storage, privacy protection, and built-in streaming options. Unlike Real Debrid, TorBox allows you to upload torrents, stream them directly from the browser, or download them privately, all without exposing your IP. Why users like it: cloud torrent storage with private downloading, built-in browser streaming for many files. Stronger privacy-focused design supports magnet links, torrents, and direct downloads. Great for downloading, archiving, and managing files. TorBox is designed for people who want more control than just premium links, especially users who prefer privacy tools or want to store and stream files directly from the cloud. Best for power users who want privacy, torrent handling, and cloud streaming features. Feature comparison. Choosing between Real Debrid and TorBox depends on whether you value speed and simplicity or privacy and flexibility. Real Debrid is unbeatable for quick, high-quality streaming in apps. It's fast, extremely reliable, and incredibly easy to set up. TorBox, however, is the better option if you want private torrenting, cloud file storage, browser streaming, and more control over your downloads. Real Debrid wins for everyday streaming performance, while TorBox wins for advanced features and privacy tools. In simple terms, Real Debrid hi kjern fast and simple. TorBox i kjern private and powerful. Final thoughts. If you want the best premium streaming sources with minimal effort, Real Debrid is the clear winner. If you want privacy, cloud torrenting, and advanced file control, TorBox offers far more features. Bottom line, Real Debrid hi kjern best for pure streaming quality. TorBox kjern best for privacy. Pin power user tools. Both are excellent. Your choice depends on how much control and privacy you want.